Alright, welcome back. In today's video, I went ahead and shot another POV style video, real simple, just kind of like behind the scenes of how I went about shooting a combination of both still photos. This time I shot on the Contax G2, and this time it was the 28mm lens, and I shot, I think, Kodak Ultramax 400. At the same time, I shot a video for this brand, and so in the video you can kind of tell like me switching in between stills and video. For the video, I used the Sony FX3 with a combination of the G Master 14mm lens, and I used the ever trusty DJI RS2. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Let's hop in. Alright, let me get you guys こっち側からもこっち側で、これ真ん中 Kind of like lean forward on it. Yeah, be on this side. Kind of like leaning back onto it. Come a little bit closer. Just look that way. And then look at me. Okay, let me do, can you pose along this side right here? Yeah, can you guys just talk together? 話しながら.
I got a couple links that I made here in New York and LA. Maybe when you go to LA.
Put your leg up again. Yeah, mostly put you. So do you. Yeah, perfect. Can you lean forward a little bit, Cody? Just like a little bit. Actually go a little bit further back. Perfect, perfect. Yeah, ありがとう。一回こっち見てください。Okay. Let me do one right here. Can you look to your right? Cool.
ぼやかしてやるやつ。
そう。誰やる？誰やる？
やる？あ、これちょっとやってみるわ。
go back more. 一回みんな3人座って。で、hold this real quick. 動きよこんな感じ。話してて、で、3、2、1って言ったら、こうやって近づいて、ガラスにタンタンタンって感じ。
覗くって感じ。
そう。
今めっちゃ良かったです。
3、2、1。Perfect. ありがとう。
思ったけどこれ意外と派手なんだね。結構派手。
Do that again where you check it. Or you checking the right sleeve again? Perfect. Let me get you one right there. Picture your jacket again. Let me do one more. Something right there. Must look good. Perfect. Get a. ここにこういう感じ座ってくれる？ Take one step left. Yeah. Look at me. Cool. Alright. Let me do it right there. Come closer. Jojo, come closer.
I was born by the river, shaking over to the
Can you act like you're putting the hood on? Elvis, 左見て。
3, 2, 1.
I knew it too. Okay, I'll go. Okay, let's walk.
しくないんだけど。
だから結構で聞こえる。
Walk past me. Davis, ここ座ってくれる？なんかちょっと靴紐をなんか直してる感じ。バイバイ。で、3、2、1でカメラ振り向いてくれる？ Yo, can you hold this real quick? Yoda.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. 3、2、1。もう一回。3、2、1。ラスト。3、2、1。OK、ありがとう。あと写真撮る。Thank you。そうそう。いい感じ。3、2、1。ちょっと前。どうぞどうぞ。3、2、1。ラスト。明るいっていうの。ここ立ってくれる？で、これジッパー外して。あ、今のちょうど感じ。開けてる感じ。3、2、1開けて。
あ、ジッパー。
あ、違う、3、2、1で。
あ、オッケー。
そうね。3、2、1。もう一回。3、2、1。I get a video of that. 3、2、1。はい。ありがとう。パーフェクト。
あ、かっこよくないなんか。
いや、そこだ。いやいやいや。You sit down. You. So you're good. Stand right there and talk act like you're talking to him. Get a little closer. Cody, take a little bit this way. Come back more. Yeah, right there. Perfect. Elvis, 左見てくれる？ましょう。あ、俺見てくれる？ Elvis. Only one more. Your last one. Okay, I have one more roll and we'll be done. Let me do one where I'm walking side. Look at the camera. Yeah. That one more time. And go. Go to the cockpit. Hey, let me go up. Can you guys walk from Tomare up until like this, where Cody's standing right now? Right there, yeah. And like look around, but then look up at me. Okay?
Oh, we're coming from that.
Yeah. And 3、2、1で俺のところ振り向いて。So just talk to each other. And go. Three, 2, 1. Perfect. もう一回。Try to end up at the cross. Yeah. And go. Three, 2, 1. Let me do it one more time, just photo. Oh, just stand right there, just stand right there. Anyways, can you put your arm 徐々にそうそうそう Cody, look straight. Alright, look all the way to your left actually. Jojo, fix your actually you're fixing your pants a little bit. Do one where you're looking right. Jojo, looking right all the way. Yeah. And 歩き出して。いいよ、歩き出して。3、2、1。OK。エルビス最初。ここ立って、こういう感じで、ずーっとカメラを見ればいい。ゆっくり。うん。同じポーズで。ちょっと待って。OK。ラスト。Just do you right here. Stand? Yeah, stand right here on the red. I like this.
Why do you want me to pose? Just still?
Can you put your leg up somewhere or? Yeah, that's fine.
Just a hand in it?
Just the hand.
Just in it?
Can you lean back on that pole a little bit and put your foot up a little bit? Yeah, that's fire actually. Just follow me. Just follow me, like with your face. And that's all I need. Stop right there. Stop right there. Stop right there. Stop right there. Do it again. Yeah, look at me. Turn around. I want to see the back. Let go of it and kind of look back at me just a little bit. Can you look at me? Look at me? Yeah, like that. Just like down a little bit. Let's do it. Let's do it right here. And so yeah, that was sort of just like a POV style video of how I go about shooting both stills and video in the same campaign, on the spot, just run and gun sort of stuff. For these style of run and gun shoots, it's always nice to have an assistant, but when you're doing it by yourself, some things to keep in mind is just have your settings locked in on your video camera at all times so that you can just quickly start recording, and then vice versa, if you're shooting film or digital, make sure that your settings are dialed in so that you can capture these moments as you guys are going along. If you have any questions on any of the equipment or any of like the thought processes that go on during these kind of shoots, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks again for watching till the very end, and as always, like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. I'll see you guys in the next one.